The Internet of Things. How connected devices are transforming industries. The world around us is constantly changing, and the Internet of Things has become one of the reasons for that change. Have you ever heard the term Internet of Things before? You can easily find the Internet of Things connected devices everywhere in this world. This Internet of Things, or IoT in short, has become a great turning point in our lives. It has changed the way we live, work, as well as communicate. From the mobile phone in our hands to massive machines in factories, IoT connected devices are playing a main role in this world. In this video, we're going to talk about how these IoT connected devices are transforming industries and improving our lives. This video will fascinate you for sure, so buckle up, let's go! First of all, let's just talk about what is the Internet of Things and why is it important. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other electronic-enabled software and sensor to collect and exchange data. The Internet of Things allows these connected devices to communicate with one another as well as with other internet-connected systems, allowing for real-time monitoring, control, and automation. IoT is fundamentally about connecting everyday objects to the internet and enabling them to send and receive data. Why is the Internet of Things important? IoT helps us to work smarter and efficiently, and also IoT is essential to business. It allows businesses to manage their work easily and cuts down so many unnecessary costs. As such, IoT has become one of the most important technologies of everyday life. These days, industries tend to use IoT to increase productivity and efficiency and survive with their competitors. So now, let's have a look at some industries being transformed by IoT and how IoT connected devices are transforming industries. First is healthcare. The healthcare industry has started adopting the Internet of Things for patient care and tracking their needs. Remote monitoring, smart sensors, medical devices integration, fitness trackers, wearable biometric sensors, glucose monitors, prescription dispensers, and smart beds are all examples of the adaptation of the Internet of Things in healthcare. Now, let's discuss the top uses of the Internet of Things in healthcare. The patient swallows the vitamin-sized tablet, which is attached to a tiny camera that takes thousands of pictures of the patient's digestive tract, which can be analyzed by specialists to check for disease such as colon cancer. Machine learning techniques are also used for image processing, allowing doctors to diagnose and treat their patients more effectively. Another example is a continuous glucose monitor, or CGM. It's a device used for monitoring blood glucose on a continual basis. A continuous glucose monitor consists of three parts: a small electrode placed under the skin, a transmitter sending readings at regular intervals, and a separate receiver. Google has patented a technology of smart contact lenses that contain sensors and microcircuits. These smart contact lenses can detect change in the eye fluid and aid in diagnosing conditions that may require medical intervention. IoT can be used to fulfill the promise of personal medicine, which aims to provide treatment based on a patient's lifestyle and environmental genetic factors. The future of IoT in healthcare is promising as consumers are increasingly interested in collecting data about their bodies and learning more about their personal health. From a technical perspective, advances in the miniaturization of electronics have also made it possible to develop smaller devices and sensors that are more portable and suitable for internal use. Next, agriculture. Digital technologies such as the Internet of Things are driving change in agriculture. From pump sheds and tractors to weather stations, IoT-connected devices have made a huge impact on agriculture. So now let's dive into the world of agriculture, which has been linked with so many IoT-connected devices. On farms, IoT allows devices across a farm to measure all kinds of information remotely and provide this data to the farmer in real time. IoT devices can gather information like soil moisture, chemical application, dam levels, and livestock health, as well as monitor fences, vehicles, and weather. The information generated by IoT devices allows farmers to track farm operations and make better informed decisions to improve farm productivity and yield and respond more quickly to their conditions of saving and money. It is putting the data behind all important farmer gut instincts, whether that be knowing when to check on the water supply to a through and how much fertilizer to apply to a crop. The application of IoT in farming target conventional farming operations to meet the increasing demands and decrease production losses. IoT in agriculture uses robots, drones, remote sensors, and some other computerized software or tools to monitor crops, surveying, map fields, provide information to farmers, and many more. Some of the IoT applications in farming are agricultural drones, livestock monitoring, smart greenhouses, soil quality monitoring, and the monitoring of climate conditions. Agricultural drones can capture high-resolution image of crops, and the benefits of using these drones include crop health imaging, integrated GIS mapping, ease of use, and saving time. These drones technology will give a high-tech makeover to the agricultural industry. Livestock monitoring is another IoT application in farming. Using IoT sensors in a wearable device, farmers can choose to monitor several things like each animal's health, location, eating habits, and reproductive cycle. IoT is also being used to make smart greenhouses. These smart greenhouses can intelligently monitor as well as control the climate inside the greenhouse. Various sensors are used to measure the environmental parameters according to the specific requirements of the crop. The data will be stored in a cloud-based platform for further processing. Finally, these IoT applications have made our agricultural industry more efficient, and working with these devices has made farmers' lives less miserable. Moving on to our next industry, transportation. IoT in transportation industry is one of the most essential innovations men have ever done. It is already has become a big business. In recent years, the Internet of Things has appeared as a strong tool that is transforming the way we move people and goods. IoT devices are distributed in a number of areas within the transportation sector, notably in telematic systems within vehicles, traffic congestion system, tools, and ticketing, and security, to name but a few. Now let's talk about a few common applications of IoT in transportation. Traffic management. Intelligent transportation systems, also called smart traffic management systems, do this by connecting sensors, cameras, and other traffic monitoring technology with traffic control systems such as traffic lights, dynamic message boards, and in-vehicle communication and warning systems. IoT in public transportation. Most people tend to use public transportation to travel across the cities, and tracking the location of the bus, train, or any public transportation method have become a challenge. But industrial IoT applications achieve these challenges and created a way to locate the vehicle and track the most accurate arrival time using various sensors. So IoT for transportation is a rapidly growing industry, and it will make the future of the transportation industry a fascinating one. The manufacturing industry is under constant pressure to increase efficiency and productivity while reducing costs. The Internet of Things has emerged as a potential solution to these challenges. IoT is powering factory shops in many ways. The Internet of Things is transforming manufacturing for suppliers as well as customers. On the shop floor and in the back office, the IoT links the physical world with the digital world. For manufacturers, it is physical things like machines and tools, and the people who operate them that drive the production process and create the products that customers use every day. IoT connects these things and their environment to a network so that instant, accurate information can be shared. IoT helps monitor machine utilization and product monitor breakdowns so workers can react immediately and plan workflow efficiently. IoT data also improves the flow of information parts and the products along the supply chain. For example, sensors placed in delivery trucks can help companies plan better routes and offer more accurate delivery estimates. Finally, the retail industry. In recent years, the retail industry has seen shocking changes and innovations. IoT technologies have played an important role in this. There are many Internet of Things applications in retail that can help enhance business processes and make more money for the business. Inventory management, sales analysis, loss prevention, supply chain optimization, store automation, proximity sensors, and digital customer engagement are some examples of IoT in the retail industry. IoT in the retail industry has completely changed the way how brands cooperate with their customers. Finally, IoT also plays a key role in the evolutions we see happening within the retail industry, from world-famous supermarkets to chains of smaller stores in a sense of facility, management and optimization, business continuity, and innovation for better shopping experience while enabling store monitors to be sure all systems are running at all time. Here you have it. These are only a few industries that have changed with the Internet of Things connected devices. So it doesn't matter whether you are home or at your work. Every day you are experiencing the benefits of IoT technology. Even now, these IoT applications are rapidly changing so many industries all over the world. If you find this video more insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.